Students, in previous video we have learned about 8 important systems in the human body. Now in this video we will learn about the respiratory system and air pollution. The respiratory system, the organs that help us to breathe, form our respiratory system. The organs of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe and lungs. We take in air through our nose. The air we breathe in is called inhaled air. The air present inside the nose trap the dust particles. From the nose, air goes to the windpipe. From the windpipe, air goes to the lungs. The air which we breathe in is rich in oxygen. Blood absorbs oxygen from the lungs and brings back carbon dioxide from the body cells to the lungs. We breathe out this carbon dioxide through our nose. The air that we breathe out is called exhaled air. The flow chart shows the sequence of oxygen and carbon dioxide flow in the body between inhalation and exhalation. The straight arrows show oxygen, the wavy arrows show carbon dioxide. The taking in and giving out of air is called breathing. Always breathe through your nose. The air in the nose acts as a filter and prevent dust particles from entering your respiratory system. Never cover your face with a sheet while sleeping. Go to a park or a garden and do deep breathing exercise in the morning. It will help you to feel fresh throughout the day. Student, respiratory system is the set of organs that allows a person to breathe and exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide throughout the body. Air pollution, causes and effects. Undesirable things present in the air causes air pollution. Some causes of air pollution are soot from vehicles, smoke from factory chimneys, burning of garbage, etc. Breathing in polluted air is unhealthy. It can cause diseases like asthma, bronchitis, etc. We should make efforts to make the air around us fresh and clean. Air pollution. Student, air pollution is caused by solid or liquid particle and certain gases suspended in the air. The polluted air damages the atmosphere and thereby creates a negative effects on the environment that becomes harmful to human health. Student, now we do exercise. Tick the correct answer. A. The smallest unit of our body is first tissue, second cell, third organ, fourth organ system. The answer is cell. B. Food is digested in the first stomach, second lungs, third brain, fourth heart. The answer is stomach. C. The control center of the body is first brain, second heart, third stomach, fourth lungs. The answer is brain. Thank you. Number 2. Fill in the blanks. A. Cells of the same type join together to form a dash. The answer is tissue. B. And dash is made up of different tissues. The answer is organ. C. The air we breathe in is called dash air. The answer is inhaled. D. Breathing polluted air can cause diseases like dash. The answer is asthma. E. We should try to keep the air dash and dash. The answer is fresh, clean. Number 3. Answer the following. A. What is an organ system? Answer. Different organs that carry out one particular function of the body form an organ system. B. What is breathing? Answer. The taking in and giving out of air is called breathing. C. Write a short note on the respiratory system. Answer. The organs that help us to breathe form our respiratory system. The organs of the respiratory system are nose, windpipe and lungs. D. What are external organs? Answer. The organs outside our body are called external organs. E. Why should we breathe? Through our nose and not on mouth. Answer. We should breathe through our nose because the hair in the nose act as a filter and prevent dust particles from entering in our body. Student, you do exercise in your notebook. Thank you.